Imagine sitting down at a dinner party in the 1950s. The table is filled with casseroles, roast meats, and pies. But then, out comes the showstopper, a shimmering tower of lime green gelatin. Suspended inside are canned peaches, maraschino cherries, and maybe even a handful of shredded carrots. Guests ooh and ah at the sparkling centerpiece. Fast forward to today, and the once beloved gelatin salad has all but vanished. So what happened? Why did these wobbly creations, once the pride of American kitchens, disappear almost entirely from our tables? Tonight, we are diving into the strange, colorful, and fascinating story of gelatin salads and uncovering why they fell out of fashion. 1. What is a gelatin salad? Gelatin salad is not a salad in the leafy green sense, but rather a dish made by suspending fruits, vegetables, or even meats inside flavored gelatin. Molded into decorative shapes, rings, domes, or towers, these dishes were designed to be visually striking. They could be sweet, filled with pineapple or strawberries, or savory, with ingredients like celery, olives, or shrimp. To modern tastes, some combinations seem bizarre, but in their time, gelatin salads represented elegance, creativity, and even status. 2. The early roots of gelatin's story begins centuries earlier. Before the convenience of powdered packets, gelatin was labor-intensive. Housewives and chefs had to boil animal bones and hooves to extract the collagen, a process that could take hours. For centuries, gelatin dishes were reserved for the wealthiest symbols of refinement and luxury. By the 1800s, molded aspic savory gelatin with meats and vegetables were considered high cuisine in Europe. When powdered gelatin was introduced in the late 19th century, suddenly this once elite dish became accessible to middle-class families. 3. The birth of Jell-O and convenience gelatin in 1897. Pearl B. Waite, a carpenter from New York, trademarked a gelatin dessert he and his wife called Jell-O. The product was sold to Orator Woodward, who successfully marketed it as America's most famous dessert. Bright, flavored, and easy to prepare, Jell-O made gelatin dishes practical for the average home cook. By the early 20th century, gelatin salads were spreading across the country as a fun and affordable way to make meals exciting. 4. The Roaring Twenties and gelatin as modern food in the 1920s. Modern technology and home refrigeration brought a sense of excitement to kitchens. Jell-O advertisements promised a modern and scientific food clean, efficient, and decorative. Women's magazines featured dazzling gelatin molds filled with fruit, nuts, or whipped cream. Hostesses used them to impress guests, and children loved the playful, wobbly textures. Gelatin salads were becoming part of mainstream American dining. 5. The Great Depression. Gelatin as survival food during the 1930s, the economic crash forced families to stretch every dollar. Gelatin was cheap, filling, and versatile. Housewives could use leftover fruit, vegetables, or scraps of meat to create a colorful gelatin dish that looked more festive than its ingredients might suggest. Gelatin salads became thrifty centerpieces, proof that even in hard times, families could eat with dignity and flair. 6. World War II and gelatin innovation during World War II. Rationing limited sugar, meat, and butter, gelatin became a creative outlet for homemakers. Cookbooks featured recipes using canned vegetables, mayonnaise, and even hot dogs in gelatin molds. These combinations may sound strange today, but they reflected a spirit of ingenuity. Gelatin could transform limited rations into something visually exciting, giving families a sense of celebration in uncertain times. 7. The 1950s. The golden age of gelatin salads. If there was one era that belonged to gelatin salads, what's the 1950s? Post-war prosperity meant bigger kitchens, new refrigerators, and fancy molds for shaping gelatin. This was the age of crown jewel salads and rainbow Jell-O molds. Cookbook publishers like Betty Crocker and brands like Jell-O released hundreds of recipes, from strawberry banana molds to shrimp and olive aspics. Gelatin salads were no longer just food, they were conversation pieces. A hostess could bring one to a potluck and be guaranteed admiration. 8. The social symbolism of gelatin salads. To understand the popularity of gelatin salads, we must see them as more than recipes. They symbolized modernity, abundance, and creativity. When a gelatin mold sat on the table, it told guests, this household has the time, tools, and imagination to prepare something special. It was culinary performance arte, reflection of social standing and domestic pride. 9. The 1960s and the expansion of gelatin recipes by the 1960s. Gelatin salads were everywhere, from family dinners to church potlucks and company picnics. Creative cooks experimented with layered molds, combining sweet and savory flavors. The infamous recipes of this era included lime Jell-O with shredded carrots and cottage cheese, tomato aspic with celery and olives, lemon gelatin with mayonnaise and tuna. To modern eaters, these sound peculiar. But in their time, they were fashionable, even glamorous. 10. The beginning of the decline. 1970s. By the 1970s, however, tastes were shifting. Health-conscious trends were on the rise. People began to prefer fresh salads with lettuce and vegetables rather than canned fruit and gelatin. The bright neon colors of Jell-O also started to look artificial in an era that valued natural foods. Advertisements for gelatin salads began to seem outdated rather than exciting. 11. The 1980s. Gelatin becomes a joke in the 1980s. Gelatin salads became less about sophistication and more about kitsch. They were seen as old-fashioned relics of church potlucks and family reunions. Pop culture often mocked them. Sitcoms and movies would use the image of a wobbly gelatin mold as shorthand for outdated or quirky family traditions. Once a symbol of modernity, gelatin salads had become the punchline of culinary history. 12. Why did gelatin salads disappear? There are several reasons gelatin salads faded away. Changing tastes. Fresh produce became more accessible year-round, making gelatin suspended fruits and vegetables less appealing. Health concerns. By the 1970s and 1980s, people wanted less processed food, fewer artificial colors, and lower sugar. Convenience foods. Microwave meals, fast food, and frozen dinners became more popular, reducing the appeal of dishes that required hours to set. Cultural shifts. The idea of status cooking changed. What was once impressive began to feel tacky. 13. The nostalgia factor. Even though gelatin salads have largely disappeared, many people still remember them fondly. For some, they recall family reunions, Sunday dinners, holiday gatherings, where that bright green or pink mold sat proudly on the buffet table. Nostalgia cookbooks and retro dinner parties sometimes revive these dishes, not necessarily for flavor, but for fun and tradition. 14. The modern revival, sort of today. Gelatin salads occasionally reappear at retro-themed potlucks or foodie blogs exploring vintage recipes. Some chefs have experimented with upscale versions, using natural fruit juices, fresh herbs, and elegant molds. But overall, gelatin salads remain more of a curiosity than a comeback. They exist in the cultural imagination more than on dinner plates. What gelatin salads tell us about food history? The rise and fall of gelatin salads reveal a lot about 20th century food culture. They show how convenience foods reshaped American kitchens. They highlight how presentation mattered as much as taste. They reflect the optimism and abundance of post-war America. And their disappearance shows how quickly food fashions can change. So why did gelatin salads disappear? The answer is simple. Times changed. What was once elegant became outdated. What was once modern became artificial. What was once the pride of the dinner table became a joke at the potluck. But perhaps we should not laugh too hard, because beneath those wobbly layers lies a fascinating story of American ingenuity, creativity, and culture. The next time you see a recipe for lime Jell-O with pineapple and cream cheese, remember it is not just a salad. It is a piece of history, one that wiggled its way into the hearts of generations.